And then, well, I would like to, yeah, yung sa Cebu, well, in my time, well, we had an accomplishment doon sa 2 magnetic lifter. And then yung 4 na magnetic lifter, until now, wala pa rin, hindi pa rin ma-confirm na kung may laman yon. Dahil kasi, as per PDEA laboratory test, walang na-detect na laman, na drug, na shabu doon. Yung sinasabi, yung sa K9 umupo. But again, yung procedure ng PDEA, I was PDEA head also. Ang NDD or the narcotics detection dog, by the word detection alone, it is for detection. Pag umpo o nag-indicate na may shabu ang isang container o isang cargo, then that is a signal for the authorities to inspect. And then kung may nakuha na suspicious substance, it will still be subjected to a laboratory test. Yan yung magdedetermine kung may maipapile na kaso o hindi. Kaya kung merong, hindi automatic yan na pag may nakitang substance na yun ay shabu na. It will have to be determined through a laboratory test pa rin.